Our main challenges were, we were in an Excel world. All of our reconciliations were in Excel, our task tracking was in Excel, and it just became such a hindrance to us as we grew as a company to be able to manage them all in that same way. So we knew we needed to find something that we can move away from Excel and, streamline our month-end processes more efficiently. We've seen time saving within our teams. We've managed to shorten our month end quite considerably. And just to be able to see how the team are doing, before it was, where are you with this? And now the questions are, well, we can see you haven't actually achieved that. And we're changing the concept of how we're working with the teams. So we're actually able to improve with the teams instead of trying to be behind and chasing people up consistently. I would say make sure you know what you want. And how do you want it as well? That was some of the key things for us. We needed to go into this knowing what we wanted, because without that, we can ask the right questions to Trintech and make sure that Trintech were able to deliver what we wanted out of it. So I would say the key thing is knowing what you want and how you want it, but also when do you want it. That's also another key factor to consider. Trintech were able to look at how we're achieving things, and they were able to suggest different ways that we can work with the systems that we've got. We've actually expanded with Trintech since we started back in 2018. So, it's always been helpful to get advice from Trintech as well as asking Trintech for the help.